Austin, look. Look. Alright, stay still. You're making the camera blurry. Come over here.
What's your costume, Austin?
What?
What's your costume for Halloween?
What are you being for Halloween?
Grim Reaper. Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper.
Grim Reaper?
Yeah.
What is it?
Grim Reaper.
Good job. Alright, put your jacket on right. Loser.
Pull your jacket down, retard.
I can't.
She must be emo.
Emo.
Because emo is one step below transvestite.
Emo.
We're such
Nah.
losers.
Zombie.
No, keep it on.
Put it on.
Zombie. Zombie. Zombie.
Oh, you ran away.
Go down there and be a zombie.
Go be a zombie.
On the road?
This
No.
video camera sucks.
At the end of our driveway.
I need a
zombie.
real one.
Zombie. Eat grass.
Zombie, you go.
Go eat grass then, zombie. No, zombies eat people. Zombies eat people.
Ah!
Who are you gonna eat?
Ah! Ew, he licked his lips. He went.
Zombie
Look at me.
ate your hand.
Put your jacket on right. Put it on right.
I want to be zombie.
Zombies don't wear jackets like that. Zombies do this.
I don't like that. Zombie. 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 Let's make my shirt go off.
Austin, what's your favorite song?
Peanut butter day time. Peanut butter day, baseball bat.
Sing it fast. What else they say?
Go get it.
Zombie.
I was trying to get him to sing that song.
Peanut butter jelly.
Peanut butter jelly. No, it's Halloween peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly had a Halloween birthday, and he was wearing the Green Reaper costume. And he had scary balloons, bad balloons. Instead, the scary bunches
Back
out
up.
to his house. And he had a Halloween party in there. And ta-da! And he fitted in his Halloween chair. Dun, 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 dun. And he on this scary Halloween tree. It said Halloween.
Stay still. You're gonna be blurry on
It
here.
said Halloween.
Ween.
It's over. It's over. Biggie. Baby. 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 Baby.
Move your hand.
Oh.
Uh-oh, we got a dead zombie here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, look at the dead zombie. The zombie's twitching. We got a twitchy zombie. Look, oh my god, it's coming back to life. It's coming back to life. Go get her, go get her. Go zombie. Go get mama zombie. Oh, look at the zombie. What's the zombie gonna do next? Zombie.
You're gay, Austin. Say you're gay.
Zombie wants your feet.
No, go get Brittany.
You want toes.